Okay, today I'm going to show you how to remove your entire motor and truck assembly. If we have sent you the part and you don't know how to replace it yourself, I can show you how to do it, and it's very simple. So the first thing you'll do is remove these 3 screws that are the most visible on this little clip right here. So all you need to do is just take this one out, this one, and just this one to the side here. Then you can remove the wire from the clip and separate. Now, to remove the truck, remove your bushing nut. Nut, washer, and first bushing. And then if it's a little tight in there, you might need to rock it a little bit back and forth until it comes right off. Transfer your wheels. To take your wheel off, undo your nut. Set that aside and make sure you remove the washer. To remove, spin and pull. Spin and pull. You're just trying to release the belt. Slides right off. To reinsert it, same thing, just reversed. Push and spin. Push and spin. Snaps right on. Place your washer and your nut. Lock it back down. Doesn't have to be super tight, just snug. Then to reinsert it, rock it back on like so. When you go to replace your wire, you want to make sure that you line up your arrows to each other. There's 2 arrows here. And then you also notice that there's a line right here. You want the end of this plug to be flush with this line right here. So line up the arrows, push it together, and that's it. And reinsert it under your clip and replace your screws. Then you can proceed to put your bushing, washer, and nut back on. And then you want to tighten it down to your own preference. The looser, the easier it is to turn. The tighter, the harder it is to turn. So there are the 3 easy steps to removing your rear truck and motor and replacing it.